In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track settings in your email HubSpot. Understanding and managing these settings is crucial for optimizing your email marketing strategy, as it helps gauge engagement and identify what resonates with your audience. First, let's start by heading over to the User Guide in HubSpot. To do this, open your web browser and go to your HubSpot account dashboard. This is your go-to starting point for configuring and reviewing your account settings. Once there, look for the User Guide link. Clicking on this will navigate you to a detailed resource center filled with helpful guides and tips. Next, direct your attention to the top right or side navigation panel where you'll find a Settings icon. Click on it to open the Settings menu. This is your hub for modifying various configurations, including those for emails. This menu can initially seem a bit overwhelming, but don't worry, we'll walk through it step by step. After you've accessed the Settings menu, locate and click on the Marketing option. This section encompasses all things related to marketing initiatives, including emails, ads, social media, and more. It's a vital area for anyone involved in digital marketing, as it allows you to manage and analyze web traffic and lead information. Within the marketing settings, find the Email section and click on it. Here you'll discover all the tools necessary for crafting emails within HubSpot that are both visually appealing and effective at reaching your targeted goals. It's essential to familiarize yourself with these options so you can leverage the full potential of your email campaigns. Then, navigate to the Tracking option under the Email settings. Click on this to explore tracking functionalities, which are indispensable for measuring how well your email content is doing. These tools allow you to gather insightful data on user engagement, which is key for refining your strategies. Once in the tracking area, make sure to enable Track Email Opens. This feature uses tiny, undetectable images embedded in each email to record when it's viewed. It's a straightforward yet powerful tactic to measure urgency and interest regarding your content. Further explore by selecting the Track Clicks option. This helps in capturing which links in your emails are being clicked and is instrumental in determining the relevance and performance of your content. Clicking on specific links can indicate what truly captures your audience's attention. Next, select the Click Tracking Domain setting. Here you ensure every click is accurately accounted for and associated with the correct domain. Missteps here could lead to inaccurate reporting, so double-check your entries. Lastly, turn on Source Tracking to gain deeper insights into where your email clicks originate. This is a great way to evaluate the effectiveness of various traffic sources directly from your emails. By following these steps, you'll maximize the effectiveness of your email marketing efforts in HubSpot. Ensure each setting is finely tuned to suit your specific needs and continuously monitor performance for ongoing success. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and guides.